Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, preferably a thick-cut variety for that perfect crunch. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and just a splash of water. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome in just a few minutes. Now, let's create that luscious caramel. In a non-stick pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Stir these ingredients constantly. Watch as the mixture transforms, bubbling and turning a beautiful golden brown color. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, so be patient for that perfect consistency. With our caramel ready, it's time to toast the bread. Carefully dip one side of each bread slice into the warm caramel mixture, ensuring an even coating. Then, place the caramel-coated side down directly into the pan. Cook over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for a rich, deeply golden brown color and a wonderfully crisp texture. This step is crucial for that satisfying crunch. Once the caramel side is perfectly golden, flip the toast and cook the plain side for about 30 seconds, just to warm it through. Then, remove your caramel toast from the pan and let it cool on a wire rack for about 1 minute. This brief cooling period helps the caramel set and become even crisper. Serve your delightful caramel toast immediately and enjoy this simple, sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.